Hey guys, look, and today I will show the Lego MOC, the Area 99. Today present to your eyes handmade film about an object that you could only observe in on cartoon about Sonic, namely Sonic X. Area 99 is a parody of the famous Area 51 in this USA. In Sonic X it is a super secret gun base. Well, let's move on to MOC. It consists of above ground and underground parts. The above ground part is divided into two parts. The first is a forest, the second is a landing strip with large number 99 along. If you look closely, you can see two gun soldiers along with a dog in the distance. Two surveillance cameras are also visible. These two parts of the surface are separated by a mesh with bubble type. However, on the territory of the forest you can see somewhere. If this is bad rouge, as if from the upper part we all move to the underground part. Downstairs everything is much more interesting. Let's start with the test room. Here we have house itself, which is ready to destroy and break. We can see how it's called for water from wherever possible, and also behind it is the master emerald. It is located in a container with the houses connected to it. To the right of house there is a door opposite house and the test room. There is another room where scientists study the state of house. There are computers that fix the state of house behind the door. There is small corridor into which a laboratory. Assistant in the special suit and the gun soldiers run to stop house with liquid nitrogen. But here we have Knuckles who broke through the wall in order to get to the emerald that the government has questioned this base. You can see more debris or Knuckles bricks wall. After all, wall 2 has to his left a door leading to a dark corridor that leads to this warehouse. Well, another corridor connecting the two above internet rooms. In interesting scene unfolds here. Sonic runs away from the gun soldiers, shooting is him and show them his ass. Thanks for a watch, guys. Good luck.